Welcome to RC Industry.
Well, I met her in a club near Muskogee.
Alright, well, we're back here. I'm going to take some of this sandpaper I got, and I'm just going to scuff this up a little. We're not trying to, build something new. I just want to get the loose stuff off of it, and then we're going to put some Rust-Oleum on here. So, alright. I just kind of wanted to show you. I'm just trying to get this smooth enough that any loose stuff, like right there was some loose paint, so I'm just trying to get that off of there. And I'm going to go ahead and scuff the rest of this up, and then I'll show you how I'm going to paint it. Alright, come on. Okay, well, I put the blanket down because I don't want to get black paint all over my driveway, and I don't want to put it out in the yard and paint it because the yard's real wet. So this will work. That's what these old quilts are for anyway. So, all right, I'm going to get set up here, and we will do a little painting. All right, let's get this paint opened up here, and the flavor of the day is just plain old Rust-Oleum gloss black. Alright, I want to put some gloves on here so I don't get it all over me. Well, so I don't get it all over my hands. I'm probably pretty well sure that I'll probably get it all over me anyway, but alright. Okay. And I may have to fast forward through some of this because the radio's on back there and YouTube don't like that, so may have to shut that off.
Okay, everybody turn down a little bit. This is supposed to be like a country song. We're recording. Well, I met her in a club near Muskogee. Took her home to my house where we would play. By morning, she had dressed and left some money. She said I had fun, but no need for me to stay. Lord, I had fun when she was here with me. No reason for her to say, can't you see?
Okay, I think you get the idea here. So I will finish painting this thing, and then we'll get the side racks put on it, or the stock racks, or the whatever they are, those things we built in episode 2. So anyway, all right, it's Rick here. All right, well, we got everything finished up, got it all painted. We got new inner wheel bearings put on and races, got the wheel bearings packed, new tires, and of course we had to rebuild these side panels, stock racks, whatever you want to call them. And I tried to build them back the same as they were. Sorry, the wind might be a little wild here. So anyway, I think we're done with this project. A little sneak preview of over here of what's coming up. And I think that we'll probably call it good enough. You know, I just clear coated this, or I put a natural stain, not a stain, but a UV protectant, water sealer, proofer, some kind of thing I had. Anyway, I've used that product before. I kind of liked the wood, the natural wood look. I wasn't too crazy about this writing that's on here. I sanded on it trying to get that off, but it was pretty deep, and so that's what we wound up with. But I think overall it looks pretty good. It'll certainly serve me for another 15 years, and that's what I needed. So I'm sure 15 years will be way plenty. So anyway, thanks for watching. Be sure and hit that subscribe button. We're up to 170 subscribers now, and we're trying to get 1,000 by the end of the year. And when we get 1,000, we'll probably do some kind of drawing, and we'll look forward to sending you more videos. And kind of enjoy this hobby, but it'd be nice to, you know, make a couple of dollars off of it if we could. But if not, that's all right too. So anyway, be sure and like and share, and ring that bell. That does something to them analytics, or whatever that word is. One of them YouTube things. So anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye. Oh, come on, man. Run, Tallulah, run!
Hi, baby.